Good morning, YouTubers, all my lovely followers, people of YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, Coast to Countryside. And this morning, as you can see, the big scary dinosaur behind me, we are at Blackpool Zoo on this miserable Monday morning. But that doesn't matter because hopefully less people around, more animals to see. We're just outside the main entrance. My wife is over there, just behind me. It's a big old turtle. We're going to head down this way and show you Blackpool Zoo in all its glory. Let's go. Ignore.
I know.
So, after walking around from the main entrance and getting wet, we've come into the bird observatory. Look at all the nice birdie birds. Flip you around and show you. Wow, look at all those ducks.
I think they just sniffed it in. That one might.
Feel like Ace Ventura, just the one with nature and the birds. And this is what we call a blackbird, because I don't actually know what it's called. Fairly nice though, black in colour.
Might not be a heron, but look how big that nest is up there.
Wow, Samantha's like, look at that nest. Off he goes. He's not interested.
Oh look, that's what that yellow thing is. Black curacao.
Yeah, but look, there's a duck right here. Just minding its own duck business. Oh, getting rained on all over. So personally, I could stay here all day. There's what looks like, babe,
What?
I hope I don't get pooed on. What I can only describe as a mini flamingo in that tree.
Yeah. Look, over there, they're walking over the thing.
Yeah, just looks like a tiny flamingo.
I'm gonna walk round and say it because that's what it looks like.
I feel like an adventurer in the Amazon rainforest. Rain being the...
I promise you now, if you get pooed on, I will laugh.
If I get pooed on. I'm just recording next minute a big trip down here. I might actually walk back around because I think this is the exit.
Oh,
So it's not very... I wouldn't say it's the longest walk.
I thought you could go all the way round in a circle.
Yeah, no, you can't. So it's not the longest because we've done it in about 5 minutes. I'll just show you on here on this sign. And I said a mini flamingo. That's what we saw. And there's your room. Oh, my wife has left me. She's on an adventure. So the mini flamingos are just over here, and we're going to walk back around to see if we can get a better view of them. For me personally, it's my... God, I've not been to Blackpool Zoo in ages. Just checking that wasn't a bird poo. I've not been to Blackpool Zoo for absolutely ages. Years, actually. Years and years. Now, was that a parrot saying hello, or did somebody just say hello? Let's zoom in. There, look. Just there.
Hey, we hamstered. Probably having a drop on that branch.
It's not that funny. Ooh, that one did poo then. Oh, right. I'm putting the camera away, and then when we get to another enclosure, ooh. Look at this little guy here. Morning. Looks like a duck. I could put the camera away. Everybody's laughing there. They're pooing and laughing. Yeah, I know, they love it. As far as this enclosure goes, or what's it called? Observatory. Yeah, pretty nice actually. Quite enjoying it. Probably stay here all day. This fella's come out to the middle of the path now. He's coming over this way, so being a gentleman I am, I'm going to step back and let my wife get attacked. Right, put the camera away and when I get to a new location, see you there. Absolutely fuming, that guy is. Absolutely fuming with the weather. Got these two fellas here. Hello, mate. Okay. No, turn away from me. They just turn away from me. Not bothered. Don't even want to tell you what that guy's doing. Says this is a gibbon. Fast asleep by the looks of it, both of these two. Don't want to disturb them if they're asleep. There's also a gibbon asleep. Not a bad little room that I'm in. I will say one thing, I like how the room's done. It's like they've made a, just behind me here, a big old tree trunk in the middle and put a little enclosure in the middle. So theming is on point. Here we have some llamas all curled up asleep apart from this little fellow on top. Oh, hello, must have heard me. And again, everybody's asleep. It's like being back at home with our two teenagers, fast asleep in bed. Never bloody getting up. Oh wait, here we go. It's hard to see if you don't really know what they are, which I don't. We've got a... Ooh, there we go, nice. It's hard to tell if you can see the plaques here. It says monkey. Monkey, it's... Unless you... Says this is a red TT monkey. Oh, found my wife. But then some of them have the signs just here for you to read. Some enclosures do not, so it's hard to see with some of them. the writing can be a bit small. Everyone's come out to see us. You must know there's a local YouTube celebrity here. That's what they've done. Walked over to see me. Nice big enclosure here for the capybaras. There they go, they're off. Not raining as much now. It's a break in the weather, as they say. It's perfect really. And they're going for a swim. It says there's an anteater here.
They're asleep around the corner.
Oh, asleep. Oh, I see.
Little,
Let's go. Yeah.
Mara.
Bara.
Are you going that way into there, or do you want to go back the other way and go to Wolf Ridge?
Can we not get to Wolf Ridge this way?
No idea. We can find out.
Another good feature of
Seagull.
seagull. Shit myself, they're close to me then. Look at these exotic plants with flowers. So here we go. Rainbow lands ings. Rainbow land ings. It's the area we're just going into now. We're outdoors. It's brightened up a little bit of break in the weather. I don't know why it's called this, do you? Like, is it because it's full of parrots and colourful birds?
Possibly.
There's that damn seagull that just scared the life out of me.
He's trying to kill the bird soon.
Oh. Nothing alright. It's quiet. It's quiet at the zoo today. We've got the whole place to ourselves, it feels like. In fact, since the main entrance, I've not seen another person. Have you, babe? Not one other person since we left the main entrance, which is, I suppose, a good thing. I'm just coming to see if I can see I can see the anteaters. They're right here asleep, where this big puddle of water is. I don't know how well or not the camera will pick them up. We'll try. There we go. Curled up in a big fairy ball, fast asleep. So, can't complain too much about the weather because it has kept people away, so it's perfect for filming. It's nice and quiet, and it's also good for getting pictures, because normally when you get to enclosures, especially ones with glass fronts on like this, there's hundreds of other people and you can't really get near to see or grab a picture. If you wanted to grab a picture, so we're heading over this way to Wolf Ridge. This is the seagull there. Raining again. It's raining again. So the hood's up very slightly. Just up the side of the train track, but I don't think the train's running today. Flip you around. Just on the other side is where we're heading, to Wolf Ridge. Whether we'll see anything there or not is yet to be seen. That's just where we've come from. This guy's after something, it's following us. I don't know what's meant to be in here. whether it's meant to be wallabies or kangaroos or what. There doesn't seem to be anything out. In fact, there doesn't seem to be anything in this enclosure at all apart from them few wallabies right there taking shelter. I don't blame him. Not the best day, but lovely and quiet. So there's Mr. Wolf. It's behind that glass, so I don't know how well on it will pick it up. Hopefully perfectly well, so you can all see. He's just chilling out. So we're making it now to the highlight of our journey. 2 reasons. I'm going to flip you around and show you. 1, it's the train station and I love some trains, and 2, it's the children's farm. Samantha's very happy about that, aren't you?
Yes.
We're going to go and see the goats. We're going to go and see the goats. Here is the train that isn't running today. Unfortunately not, but understandable. I don't even think if it was a nice day the train would be running anyway, to be perfectly honest. But if you do come, £3 per person, you can pay on card. That's the map of where it takes you all up one side of the park. £3 per person, not bad. Here is the turntable. There's the front of the train. Looks like an American Western style steam train. We are now at the children's farm and we go inside out of the rain to keep ourselves dry, and we're going to go and look at the goats, which are just here. Nope, that's a llama. Oh, and the goats.
Goats, goats, goats.
There's a goat just there, look. There he is.
The goat looks very pregnant.
Maybe. This is the sheep. Oh, there's a donkey that's just come in. Donkeys are right over there in the corner. That guy's just come in. These ones are the sheep right here. And then this guy on his own. Hey mate. Right at the back. So we'll come over to see the red pandas. Normally they sleep most of the day, but they're awake, sort of. Flip you around. There you go. Just poking his head out there. Oh, here we go. Yay. There's another one here. Just right there. So, as luck would have it, stopped raining after all that complaining about raining, just in time to watch the sea lion show. Best view in the house as well.
They do range from 6 all the way up to 22. So we have one of our youngest and one of our oldest, and then Sana is 9 years old as well. So we've got a brilliant range of ages all here. So they are going to make their way
If we can
to the front of the week. We can make some of their introductions.
show you here
Now, if they join us up on the beach, you'll see they'll come all the way up to those stands. Now, all of our training here at Blackpool Zoo is done through positive reinforcement. So that means if they do something right, they will get a fishy reward. And we, of course, don't force them to do anything they don't want to do. So it is all their choice. But like I said, if they do something right, they do get a reward. So can everybody say hello to our sea lions? So we've got...
Some friendly...
It's like a little lot of sandwich.
Friendly little lot over there.
Showing you his teeth.
Whoa! What have I done to that guy? So, it's a lovely day here at the zoo now. It's brightened up. Well, I wouldn't say it's brightened up, but it's stopped raining at least.
Big cat, big cat.
It has brightened up though, a little bit compared to what it was. We're just heading over to the big cats. Thought I'd show you the otters on the way. Giraffes are just to our right here. But we're going to tigers right in front of us. Here's the tiger enclosure. I'm going to show you the tigers if we can see them. Oh, wait there. I'll show you this first. Big old owl. Oh, just there. Can hear someone. That's cool. Can hear someone doing a talk, like they've got a show going on that we might have missed because we've been watching the sealions. I don't know if lions are out or not, so I'm just going to walk down here while this woman's doing her speech, just to see if we can see a lion while we're here. There's a lot of people here, so maybe
can actually kill an adult lion.
Maybe the lions are out. Oh, they are.
As well, so it is best for the lions to see it well.
I don't know how well you're going to see or not, but there's a lion here. So let me flip the camera around and show you.
In fact, they're only about 25% successful. So that means only every 1 in 4 hunts is resulting in a meal. Now, because of this, we don't actually feed our lions every day, and that is the best replicate that food intake they would be getting in the wild. Now, amateur tigers, unlike lions, are solitary animals, so that means they live on their own and they do all their hunting on their own. So they do take down slightly smaller animals such as deer, as well as wild boar, and even sometimes rabbits. Now, despite going for the smaller animals, actually even less
lions.
in their hunts.
You never came to see the tigers, just want to get the lions there. Walk around here out the way. In fact, I'm sure if I walk around here, even though it's further away, but there's a lot less people. Yeah. Bloody lions sat on the top of Pride Rock. Actually not a bad view from here. Everybody's just over there. You get a lot better view from here. You might have to zoom in a lot more though.
You got a very good picture. Just gonna go into giraffe point.
While everybody's here. Well, everybody's going to the giraffes now,
I'm
but
going down the bottom bit here.
okay. Samantha's gone to see the giraffes. I'll leave her to it. I'm going to leave all these people behind and show you the tigers, or tiger, because as that woman said, if you heard, they're solitary animals. So tiger will be on its tiger own, and just over here is a tiger. Let me see if I can show you from the viewing point. Oh yeah, in fact, you see the tiger perfect from here. You can also hear the electric fence. So we've just been to look at the big cat habitat, which is a new enclosure for 2023. Was it open last year? Was it? Yeah, I think so. I think it was last year it was open. Or the very start of this year at least anyway, but I think it was last year. So after going to the big cat habitat, looking at the tigers and the lions, just going to head up to the Lake View Cafe, which is just over the lake here, and in there they've got a Subway and a Starbucks and a cafe. So I'm first going to grab a cup of coffee. I might grab a sandwich, have a spot of lunch, and then head back to a couple enclosures that we did this morning, but it was raining. So we might go back to them now it's dried up a bit and do them again. And there's still a couple enclosures that we've not done. So just looking at the map, we've nearly done it all, but we've not done the dinosaur safari yet. And we've not been to base camp, which is the elephant enclosure. But I think pretty much most of it we have done. It's just after midday now though, about 12:30. We got here at 10, so it's been 2 and a bit hours. So grab something to eat, and hopefully the weather's going to hold up, rain's going to stay off, and we'll just go around again, do them enclosures that we did this morning. It's raining, but for now we're going to head into here and grab something to eat. Starbucks over there where Samantha is, Subway over here which I'm going to go to, and grab something to eat. And then I don't know if we'll do the dinosaur safari next or the elephant enclosure. We'll find out after we've had something to eat.
Cover them up for now and then try and ignore these ones around here.
So fun. Oh, you got two?
You've got to keep it covered up and ignore these two ones, and you only feed them in the circle.
Nice. Samantha's gonna go and feed. Oh, so everybody's over here now, birds all over him. Do you want me, babe? What a...
Oh no!
Samantha's just dropped bird food all down the bag. That's not very clever. Well, we're going to go and feed the birds because it's getting a bit hectic in here. So the elephant's just behind us, but before that I thought I'd come here, whoops, walk under a tree and show you the land before time. Oh, look at that, perfect timing. The volcanoes are erupting. Sort of just over here, I don't think you can see it. Walk around and show you. Just head over there to show you real quick. Samantha's gone to base camp where the elephants are. I've come here because it's quite cool. Show you, flip this around. Oh, sorry mate, don't want to upset you. There's a big one just hidden in the trees there. A few more here. Stegosaurus. Don't even know how to say that. Medja Mekamena Meki, let's just call it Littlefoot's mother from the land before time. Actually quite cool walking through here. I like it. All this prehistoric stuff. Samantha's not that interested, even though I suppose it is aimed more towards kids. It's still fun. Right. Whoa! What? I was not expecting that. Let's just put the camera around, see if it does it again. There you go. Just walked into that. Oh. Oh. Yeah, so I nearly got absolutely caboosed in the eye then. Like that. There was a big old crocodile around here I wanted to show you. We've got a little water feature. It's cool how they're all moving and doing their own thing. There's a few more hidden there in the bush, ready to scare people. Got a little waterfall feature as well. So this little area in itself, it's a bit overgrown. I suppose it's meant to be that way. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. And I've walked all this way to show, look at what you've got to walk through. So, pretty adventurous, and I guess if you was to come here, there we go. As a kid, you'd really enjoy it. That's where I was stood before. Volcano. Looks like there's an aeroplane crashed. The aeroplane we were on, and we've ended up in the land before time. Look at this. That's what I wanted to show you. Big old alligator. So I'm going to continue on. Whether I go back the way I came or just continue on this path here. Hopefully it'll lead me back around and then go and meet up at base camp to look at the elephants with my wife before we call it a day. It has started to rain again, but it's not too bad, I suppose. I think there might be a T-Rex down here. I'm going to go and have a look. So I've made it out of the land before time. Prehistoric era. Okay. Don't know if I'm meant to be here or not. I'm guessing where my wife is over there. And this is a dead end, so I'm going to have to go back, flip the camera around and show you. Elephant just there. This is the new elephant enclosure that they have done, now named Base Camp. Don't know if my wife is there or not. She said she was heading that way. I thought I could get to it this way, but that's a dead end. Down there's a dead end. That's where I've just come from. So that's where I'm going to head back to, because I thought seeing the elephant there I could get to it that way. Obviously not. So I'm going to head back this way, find my wife wherever she may be. So it turned out base camp was shut. I found my wife on the bridge heading back towards me as I was walking up towards her. But we've come out now, we're just in the gift shop. So it's just up there having a look at any little souvenirs or trinkets, but I don't think there'll be much in here for us that we'd want. As far as the day goes, for what we paid, I think it was about £21 each, or £21.50 each per ticket per adult. So we booked it online, so it cost us about £43 to come today. Shame about the weather, but for the money for both of us, as far as days out go, it's been pretty good. It's been a good few years since I've been at Blackpool Zoo now, so it's nice to come again and have a look with the new enclosures and whatnot. Samantha always enjoys going to a zoo. She dragged us to every zoo she could, every day of her life, if she could, but she can't. So she's enjoyed it. Yeah, so for the price, not a bad day out. We've had it. We've had a good time. We really enjoyed it. Shame about the weather, but did clear up for a bit. We managed to watch the sea lion show while it was dry, go to a couple of enclosures, even though it has started raining again. We'd pretty much done everything by that point. Highlight for me was the bird landing on my head. Put a photo in. I'll insert a photo because Samantha got a picture of it, and it was just birds all over us at one point. That was good with the little tropical birds there. So I've enjoyed myself. I think Samantha's definitely enjoyed herself. She's looking at a necklace. So that was Blackpool Zoo. Good day out. Seemed to be a lot of kids there, young kids, all enjoying themselves. Adults as well, so it's a good day for adults and children for a reasonable price, a lot cheaper than Chester Zoo, and well worth the money, I would say. So I've enjoyed that, and that will do it for this video. Until next time, when we'll be back out in the countryside, back on the countryside walks. Just wanted to come back to the coast today, to Blackpool Zoo. It's been such a long time. Have a day out for me and Samantha. We've got some time off work, and we've enjoyed it. As always, thank you for joining me for this video. Thank you for over 100 followers now. Thank you for each and every one of you that has followed us, supported the channel. We've just got over 100 subscribers now, so that's yeah, happy about that. Unless by the time this video comes out everybody has well, not everybody, but people have decided to unsubscribe and then we're below 100, then that's a bit awkward now. Wife's still in the gift shop, so I'm going to go back, meet up with my wife. I hope you join me on my next adventure, and until next time, I will see you all later. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, and I'll see you on the next video.